Ano ba yan Santa Cruzan na yan? Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng, magkapet pandasal muna tayo. Nung bata ako, I remember my eldest sister dressed in a pink gown and taking part of a procession called the Santa Cruzan. Hindi ko maintindihan kung anong koneksyon ng prosesyon na ito sa simbahan. Hanggang ngayon, lalo na sa probinsya, ginagawa pa rin itong bonggang prosesyon na to na nagiging fashion show na minsan. But beyond the pageantry, the Santa Cruzan has a deep spiritual significance. Santa Cruzan means Holy Cross, and it commemorates the finding of the true cross of Christ by Queen Helena, the mother of Constantine, who was Emperor of Rome. Helena made a pilgrimage to Jerusalem to search for the cross of Christ in the year 326. They found three crosses in an excavation. Para malaman kung alin sa tatlo ang krus ni Jesus, pinahawakan nila ito sa isang babaeng may malubhang sakit. When she touched the third cross, she was miraculously healed. Ang orihinal na layunin ng Santa Cruzan ay para maikwento sa kabataan ang mga storya ng ating pananampalataya sa panahon na wala pang telebisyon, sine o mga gadgets. Today, we can bring back the significance of this tradition by retelling the story of Queen Helena and, most importantly, what the cross of Christ means for each of us. Dahil sa sakripisyo ni Jesus sa krus, niligtas tayo ni Kristo mula sa ating mga kasalanan at binuksan ang pinto ng langit para sa ating lahat. Tayo magdasal. Lord, by your cross and resurrection, you have set me free. Amen.